Hello dear students, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the model question paper for your upcoming examination. This model question paper is taken from Corporate Accounting book authored by Mr. Parvez Ullah, Mr. Prabhakar Ji and Miss Veena Anand, Kalyani Publications. This model paper is prepared as per the Bangalore University syllabus and examination pattern, and it will help you understand the type of questions, mark distribution and important areas to focus on. So let us start. So this is a model question paper. As you know, duration of the exam is 3 hours and for 80 marks. In the section A, the first question will be given for 2 marks. Answer any 7 subsections. Each question carries 2 marks. A to K, you have 11 questions. Out of these 11 questions, you have to answer any 7. Okay. So here you can see, what do you mean by authorized share capital? Define buyback of shares. What is meant by underwriting? What is or define partial underwriting? What is the meaning of valuation of shares? Name any 2 circumstances under which shares are valued. What is meant by pre-incorporation period and post-incorporation period? Define profit prior to incorporation. Under which head is share capital shown in the balance sheet? Give any 2 examples of non-current assets. Under which head will trade payables be shown in the balance sheet? So for these are all the questions, you have to write 2 marks answers. Just write the meanings, and the answers for these are all the questions you can get in the short videos. Some I have uploaded and some I will upload shortly. From all the 5 units, you can expect the questions. From each unit, 2 questions or 3 questions you may expect. So that is for 2 marks each. Section B is for 8 marks. In this, 5 questions will be given. Out of these 5 questions, you have to answer any 3 questions. Okay. The first question is given from the first unit, that is issue of shares. Give the journal entries in the books of the companies. So only simple problems you can expect where 6 entries or 8 entries will be there, including calls in arrears, share premium or calls in advance entries. Second question is given on buyback of shares. Here they are asking just the calculation. There are no journal entries here. The calculation of maximum number of shares that can be bought back, maximum offer price per share. Can oligo company go for a buyback of shares? So you have to do the calculations, and based on the calculation, you just have to give the recommendations at the end. Okay. So in 2 or 3 lines, you can give the recommendations whether the company can go for buyback or not. You can also expect questions for passing journal entries on buyback of shares. Third question of section B. This question is from your third unit, that is valuation of shares. If you have remember, we have 3 methods of valuation of shares. In that, most probably you can expect intrinsic value of shares calculation based on net asset method. These all similar kind of questions we have already discussed in the classes. Refer the notes for this. Next, coming to the fourth problem under section B. So this problem is from your 4th unit, that is profit prior to incorporation. Okay, this simple problem where they are asking you to prepare a statement showing profit earned by the company in the pre and post incorporation period. Here you have to prepare the statement of profit and loss of the company. Okay, this is the last question of your section B, where certain items will be given and you have to answer the appropriate heading or subheading for these items. So recommending you to refer the financial statements as per the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Section C is for 14 marks. And here also you can expect 5 questions. Out of these 5 questions, you should answer any 3 questions. In section C, you can expect the question from all 5 units. Okay, so the first question will be from first unit. You may get the questions like passing the journal entries with balance sheets, or where the journal entries will be more. Like that problems also you can expect, or else you can also expect the ledger accounts, journal entries with some of the ledger accounts. Expect the questions from issue of shares or the buyback of shares also. Okay, next question is from your second unit. Here you can expect the question from firm underwriting. Okay, so to calculate the total liability. Next question you can expect from your third unit, that is valuation of shares. So calculating the intrinsic value per share based on the net asset method with the calculation of goodwill also. Or else you can also expect the questions for calculating the value per share under net asset method, yield method and fair value method. The next question you can expect from your fourth unit, where you have to apportion the expenses between pre-incorporation and post-incorporation period using suitable ratios, and also calculate pre-incorporation and post-incorporation profit. You can expect this type of questions again for 14 marks here. Apportion the expenses based on certain ratios. We have already seen many different types of ratios like time ratios, sales ratio, weighted ratios, reverse time ratios. So whichever is applicable to your expenses, by that you have to apportion the expenses, and then you have to calculate, and you have to prepare the statement of profit and loss account. Okay, so this problem you can expect for 14 marks. And the last question will be from your last unit, that is the fifth unit, company's final accounts, which is as per the Companies Act 2013. So here you can expect the question to prepare the balance sheet, or you can also expect the question to prepare profit and loss account and also balance sheet. So this is how you can expect the question paper will be. And what are all the questions has been seen. This is just a model question paper. It doesn't mean the same question you will be going to get for your exams. So this is just a pattern. The related type of questions you can refer for your exams. So all the best for your exam. If you have any doubts, any clarification you require, you can post it in the comment section. I will be happy to answer it. Thank you so much and happy learning.